Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Since Chinese New Year is just around the corner, I just thought that it would be cool to chat about the significance of certain designs on these watches and see which is a more suitable watch to wear. After watching the movie Crazy Rich Asians and the reality series like Blancpain on Netflix, you probably have an idea that Chinese people, or Asians, are people who cherish their heritage and culture a lot. They value their auspicious belief, are superstitious, and Chinese New Year is a big thing to observe all of that if you want a great year ahead. Failing which, bad juju can happen to you. Whether or not you believe in such things, it is still fun to know about it and participate in the celebration. This year is the Seiko 5 Sport Street Fighter V series Can Master variant, the SRPF 20K1, and Zangief variant, the SRPF 24K1. I've singled both these watches out because of that red and gold combination. Red, in the Chinese culture, symbolizes good fortune and joy. That is why red packets are given out during Chinese New Year to wish others good fortune and joy. Of course, all of these would be meaningless unless there are some opulence in the red packet. That is why during the Chinese New Year, the color gold and red are plastered everywhere, as gold, or yellow, symbolizes wealth. Both these watches have the right tone of red and gold on it. The SRPF 20K1 has that sharp candy red on the strap, bezel, and rehaut, and a wine red on the dial. Although this bezel has a 5-minute interval timer, it also has a 20-minute timer that is painted in red. Whereas the SRPF 24K1 has a candy red on the strap, dial, and rehaut. The yellow gold used on Ken's watch are on the wordings on the dial, the hour, minute, and seconds hand, the side of the bezel, the crown that is not engraved, and the printing on the case back, which features Ken's famous Shuriken controller command. As for Zangief's watch, the yellow gold are applied on the wordings on the dial, the hour, minute, and seconds hand, the hour markers, the bezel, the case, the buckle, keeper, and fixed loop are also in gold. The printing on the case back here is also in gold that features the controller command for the screw power driver. The 6, 9, and 2 on the 12 o'clock markers are one full piece of indexes that does not have a cutout in between the gaps. More gold means more wealth, right? The strap on Zangief, although not gold, is dominated with a pineapple yellow. Do you know that pineapple has a significant meaning during Chinese New Year? No, not your pina colada or that pineapple fried rice. But that in the Hokkien dialect, the word pineapple means coming of fortune. That is why we have pineapples decoration put up and pineapple tarts made during Chinese New Year. I now think that Zangief is perhaps a better suited watch for this Chinese New Year. The year 2021 is the year of the ox. As the saying goes, as strong as the ox. Naturally, Zangief fits the bill as the watch does appear a little more beefy, pun intended, due to the large numerals, the Cyclops date window, and gangster studs on the bezel. Water, running water, or rain is a symbol of good luck in China. Hence, a cyclone or a whirlwind is a sign of fortune for Chinese New Year. The dial on Zangief's watch has a cyclone pattern, which again is absolutely apt for this Chinese New Year. Anyway, if you'd like to check out my other videos on the Street Fighter series, I'll put a link in the description below. So what do you think? Now that you know what to look out for, which do you think is a more suitable Chinese New Year watch? Do share in the comments below. If you think that the Street Fighter series are too plain and want something with more blink, you can also consider these watches. Like I always say, it's okay to have differing views as long as we all love watches. Most important thing is to have fun whilst wearing them, don't you agree? To support me in making more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit that notification icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll really appreciate it and promise you that you won't dream of monkeys chasing you tonight. Don't believe me? Try it. Until the next one, thank you for watching.